Hello and welcome to the channel. If you run a business or handle accounts, you know the pain of overdue invoices and having to chase people for payments. It's awkward. It eats up your time. Sometimes it even slows down your cash flow. Today, I'm sharing a solution I built with n8n, a workflow that automatically sends gentle payment reminders. This way, you spend less time following up and more time doing what you really care about. Let's start by walking through how this workflow works. Every morning at 9 o'clock sharp, n8n triggers the workflow on its own. No need for manual starts. The first thing it does is fetch a list of all invoices that still haven't been paid. It pulls them right out of your database. But it doesn't stop there. It sorts through those invoices, finding only the ones that are overdue. So, you aren't bothering anyone who isn't actually late on payment. This is like having your own smart assistant who only brings you what's important. Next, the workflow calculates which clients need to get reminders today and not any earlier or later. It looks at how overdue each invoice is and makes sure no one gets repeated emails too soon. After figuring out which invoices need attention, it uses AI to prepare a custom message for each client. No robotic boilerplate here. Each email is drafted to sound polite, professional, and quite friendly. Finally, the workflow sends out those reminders by email automatically. It also saves a note in your database whenever a reminder is sent, in case you want to check on your follow-ups later. And that's it for the reminder part. No more copying and pasting. No more remembering who needs what. It just works. All right, let's move over to the demo. I want you to see the workflow running live. Watch as I trigger the workflow. First, it checks for every unpaid invoice. Nothing escapes its notice. You'll see on the screen as it filters out just the overdue items. Only those get added to today's queue. The next step is where AI really comes in. For each overdue invoice, the workflow generates a personalized reminder. You can see the draft messages here. They mention the client's name, the invoice number, the amount due, and how many days it's overdue. Now, the workflow sends each email automatically. You'll notice I don't touch my keyboard, and I'm not composing any drafts myself. The system does all of it behind the scenes. Finally, it sends a summary to finance team so that they have accurate information about overdue invoices. Let me take a step back and explain why all this matters. As a business owner, your goal is to keep your operations smooth and worry-free. But late payments can really mess with your plans. They slow down your growth and can even make simple tasks stressful. Manually sending reminders wastes time. It's repetitive, easy to forget, and it can sometimes feel awkward reaching out to clients about money. This workflow solves those problems. You set it up once, and it takes care of your reminders every day. No time wasted, no awkward client calls. Your reminders go out on time every time, giving your clients a gentle nudge and improving your cash flow. Ultimately, automation lets you focus on building your business, serving more clients, and having fewer financial headaches. If you think this workflow could help you or your team, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this useful. I'll be sharing more productivity and automation ideas soon. Thanks for watching.